Hey, what's up? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to another video. And so today we're going to be taking a look at the Comfo Run from Edifier. These are their brand new air conduction headphones, which basically transmit audio via the speaker, which is not going to be fitting inside of your ear, but resting comfortably on the side of your ear canal. And so it's going to provide you with a really premium sound quality, 16.2 millimeter driver. It's going to offer the really comfortable matte finish, as well as 17 hours of battery on a single charge. But if you're brand new to the channel, I truly appreciate you for coming through if you're new. But if you're already a part of the crew, salute. Now, Edifier has gave these earphones an extremely integrated flexible ear hook style design. These ear hooks basically offer nickel titanium wire, promising a snug fit even when you're wearing glasses on these headphones, and they're going to provide you with a very good sound quality, which I'm going to get into in a little bit more detail. I really like the matte finish, which is going to be resting on your ears when you're using these. And when it goes around your ears with the hooks, it's basically going to provide you really good comfort and fit as well. And the setup of the sound features a 16.2 millimeter PU plus sheepskin paper dynamic driver. And Edifier says that the driver can offer multi-layered clear sound. And so it's going to be crafted with an acoustic chamber that can give you direct sound to your ears, which is going to basically reduce leakage when it comes to the audio bleeding. And so other features for the Comfo Runs is going to be the 17 hours of battery life on a full charge with fast charging, which can offer 2 hours of playback, which is 15 minutes of charging. These also have the Bluetooth 5.3 and the proprietary cable as well. And so the headphones are going to deliver seamless and hassle-free connection. You're also going to get IP55 water resistancy, as well as gaming mode with low latency of up to 0.08 seconds, which is going to definitely be pretty good for all the gamers out there. These have a flexible material, which is basically extremely comfortable when it comes to wearing these, and they're very lightweight as well. So I really and generally am impressed with the overall design. I think it's definitely very comfortable, lightweight. It's going to offer long-term listening sessions so that you can get the most out of these when you're actually driving, commuting, running, doing exercises, even conversations with your friends. And one of the things about these is that they allow you to hear what's going on in your outside environment while listening to your music. So you will have to connect them to the Edifier ConneX application, which is basically going to be pretty straightforward when you hold down the multifunction button in the middle, which has a little basically like a little piece that sticks up so you can recognize it from the volume up and down as well. And they're also going to offer some really good intuitive touch controls. Now you get two different EQs, the classic and the bass boost, which is going to basically be pretty premium when it comes to the sound quality. And then you're going to get the gaming mode as well. You also get the ability to prompt volume, power off, and reset. When you tap the power button 5 times in a row, it can reset the earbuds so you compare them to another device. And I just generally like this thing when it comes to the overall design. You also do get an LED light that blinks when these are actually powered on, so that you know that they're actually being used at that time. And so that LED indicator will let you know when these are basically connected. And so when they're on the head, basically resting over the ear, they're very comfortable, and you barely notice that something's on your head when it comes to them. And I can wear these with my glasses as well at the same time while listening, and I didn't experience any discomfort after using them for long periods of time. So I definitely like these because they're going to offer the gaming mode. They have a really nice driver inside of these with the dual mics that also deliver ENC, environmental noise cancellation, and these are going to be packing that open ear style concept design, which is one of my favorite designs when it comes to using some earphones outside, because you're basically going to be able to see and hear everything that's going on around you without any issues whatsoever. Now, they're going to offer a premium high quality sound, and when it comes to the sound quality of these, they don't offer too much sound leakage at full volumes. I also did notice that when it came to using these, that they were crispy and clear and had a really nice layered sound with them. They're also very comfortable, so if you try to go to sleep with these, they're going to be extremely comfortable when you're resting down on the side of your head, or even if you're back sleeper or whatever. But when it comes to the overall comfort of these things, they were basically designed so that you can take advantage of long listening sessions on here without worrying about discomfort when you're using your earbuds. So I like the fact that they don't go indirectly in the ear, because for a lot of people that's going to be a problem. So if you have like jewelry on your cartilage or your ear, these are going to be the perfect set of earphones.
Hey, what's up? So this is the microphones on the Edifier Comfo Run. So I'm just talking directly through the microphones with these earphones. So let me know how the sound quality is right now while I'm talking directly through the Edifier Comfo Fit. So Comfo Run. So let me know how they sound. It's actually a really windy day, so the sun is out finally. We're getting a nice, beautiful weather out here. It's really gorgeous. These actually fit very seamlessly in the ear. They fit perfectly. So you can see how they fit. Just a really comfortable pair of headphones for running, casual, or just maybe business, taking some phone calls and stuff like that. So let me know what you guys think about the microphones on here, okay?
But if you're still here, just type down below in the comment section, I'm still here, so I know you're still kicking it with me. And I just want to remind you to hit the like button so we can get this video out to more people and help beat the YouTube algorithm. So these deliver a really nice stylish look, as well as a flexible design, offering very sleek, comfortable fit, which is going to basically allow you to game on here. If you're the type of person who likes to game with lower latency, when you're actually gaming on here, it's going to be a really good experience, because you're going to hear your environment around you, but you're also going to be able to hear the intuitiveness of these headphones, and they deliver a nice premium sound stage. When it comes to these headphones, they're going to offer extremely good comfort. The touch controls are actually very straightforward, because you can differentiate the buttons by basically touching the top, which offers a nice matte finish as well, and then you can feel the power button because it kind of sticks up compared to the other buttons. So when I was gaming, I noticed that the gunshots matched up 1-to-1 with the 0.08 seconds of low latency as well. So listen to this mic sample in an outdoor environment.
Hey, what's going on? So this is the microphones on the Comfo Runs from Edifier, and I'm actually in the car with the window down driving. So this is to give you an idea of what the microphones sound like when you're in a car with like driving, because a lot of the times you'll be using headphones and you'll be on the road just so you could be hands-free. That's usually what I'm using headphones for, especially these types. And so let me know what you guys think about the overall microphones when it comes to the sound quality when I'm in a car driving. So this is just to give you an example of what the audio sounds like when you're in a more noisy environment, okay?
So these are going to be around $68, and when they're on Amazon, I'll make sure I leave the cheapest link down below. But let me know what you guys think about the Edifier Comfo Runs. I definitely think these aim to please when it comes to extreme comfortable use and overall open design. But hit the like button on your way out, and I'm going to check you guys later. I'll get right back with you, and stay locked in for more videos just like this. Later, crew. Peace.